In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Now select Clipboard over here, and to activate its shortcut, click on Show the Clipboard on your toolbar. Then to go back to standard keyboard, click on this icon at the top right corner. Now you can access Clipboard by clicking on this icon of it next to the microphone, also at the top right corner. Following that, to use Clipboard, you can either click on Add a new clip, type in wherever you want to over here, and click on Save. Then to paste it, click on it. To pin it or unpin it, use this pin icon on the left. And to get rid of it, pin icon on the right. You can also just copy or cut wherever you want to and then access your text over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!